Start from new assembly again, then press escape button. Import the gears if you had designed the gears in separately or by yourself in SolidWorks. But I have another option to import the gears. That go to design library, then select toolbox, and then from here click on this add-in now, because add-in toolbox add-in is not turned on. So to turn it on, click on this button. Now from here select the standard. So let's select NC metric. Then from here power transmission. Then these are the gears. So here are the type of gears. Let's say I'm going to use helical gear. Click and drag it into the assembly and wait for a while. So here you can see these are the options related with the gear. So this is the module. Let's select module 2. Then after the module we have number of teeth option. Let's select number of teeth 20. Then helix direction, right hand or left hand. So select right hand for this. Then this is the pressure angle or helix angle. This is pressure angle, and this is face width. Let's say 10 millimeter is the face width. And this is hub style, one side, both sides. So choose your desired hub diameter. Let's say 40 millimeter. This is the overall length of hub, and it should be 20 millimeter. And this is the nominal shaft diameter. So this diameter, nominal shaft meter, select it. Let's say 15 millimeter. And again scroll down. Keyway, if you want to create keyway scale 1 or scale 2, select your desired keyway, then show teeth 20 and press OK button. Now we had created this gear by using design library. Again we have to import another gear. So for that, again click on design library here, then click and drag helical gear. Leave all the settings as they are according to this gear, but instead of helix direction, change it from right to left. Now press OK button. Now again press escape button. So first of all we have to hide this sketch. So right click on this sketch and then hide it. Similarly hide this sketch. Hide it. Now if you can see, I am able to move this part, but I am unable to move this part because this part is fixed. So to make it float, right click on it, then select float. Now let's make some mates. So for that select right plane, then select mate, then select this face and press OK button. Then make the coincident mate, then press OK button again. Again select this face and press and hold control key, then select this face. Now select coincident mate. Now you can see I can rotate this part, and when I try to rotate this part, the part is moving instead of rotating. So for that click on right plane, then sketch on it, make normal to, and then draw a line, start it from origin like this. Press escape button, then press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. Then click and drag this gear to align it with the another gear like this. Now again select this line and edit its sketch. Now click and drag this line like this. Just uh, we have to align this line perpendicular or vertical to the center of this circle. Then right click on this or right click or just click on this point, then make it fixed. Now save and exit from sketch mode, then select this point, then this cylindrical face. Release the control key and from here select concentric mate. Again press space key, then select this view orientation. Rotate the gears to align them like this. So now we have fully defined the assembly of these two gears. So click on this line and hide it. Now it's time to make the gear mate for both of these gears. So for that, click on mate, scroll down, and from here mechanical mates, select gear mate. Select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face. Select the ratio from here. So if you have 1:1 ratio, we have 1:1 ratio for both of these gears, because both of these gears are of the same size. Then do not check this option, reverse, and press OK button. Again press OK button. Now rotate one gear and you can see we are able to make the gear mates in SolidWorks.